Can you count how many triangles are there in the figure? Ang gawin lang po natin ay lagyan natin ng number ang base side. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang next step ay atin lang pong i-add yung mga numbers. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 3 equals 6, plus 4 equals 10, plus 5 equals 15, and plus 6 equals to 21. So, the correct answer, guys, is letter D, which is 21. And gonna share also the shortcut. So, we have here number 6. So, 6, i-times lang po natin sa next number niya, which is 7. Then, we're going to divide it by 2. So, 6 times 7 equals to 42. Then, divided by 2. So, the answer is 21. So, again, our correct answer here is letter D, which is 21.